y'all, so I am catching up on my daily Davidsons, and then so I found these pieces of cardboard in the in our printer room at work, and so I am laminating them because once you laminate them, they're actually very hard, and they're actually I figured they would be really good clipboards for people to actually use in my groups. So I don't have to buy like 12 clipboards. They're actually pretty hard once you laminate them. So now I can have a kind of something for the patients to actually write on when they're in my groups. And like I said, y'all, this is the season of saving money and making money. So just a cute tip for y'all. And like I said, these just happened. There were 12 of them. They were 12 of them. They were just on the floor in the break room. So I just took them, and they were kind of flimsy, but like I said, once you laminate them, they get very hard. So basically laminating them all while I catch up on my daily Davidsons, and then yeah, I can just use them for when patients say, hey, I need something to write on. I can actually give them one of these. And then it's also good because I don't have to, one, like I said, buy clipboards or tote heavy clipboards around, so, yep. So Maverick and I, we're at Bayview Park. So it's kind of like a little park out here. They have where you can take your dogs in, you can swim, fish, all that other stuff. So I got my Starbucks, and I got her a taco on the way here, just in case she gets hungry while we're out here. And I will probably bring my backpack. Yeah, let me actually bring my backpack. That way I don't have to hold this stuff, because it's kind of breezy out here. And better yet, I think I'm going to take her stroller. Well, no, I can just hold it, I guess. I can just hold it. It is what it is. So yeah, this is Baby Park, and I brought her a taco, like I said, just in case she gets hungry. I'm going to take her to where maybe some sand is. Probably not where all the big kids are playing. But I'll take her to some of the grounds. Just so we can just go out here. I mean, oh my goodness, she can't get on anything or walk on anything. So this is literally just so we can actually just be out here. That's literally just what it's for. I don't know what they're doing over there. That's funny. So I came over here so we can get a spot. It's so crowded over there. So I came over here so we can kind of, because she's more into picking up things in nature. And yes, I forgot her shoes, but this grass is not, doesn't have any pricks or anything. I love this little ABC walk thing. It's cute. So Maverick and I, we have found a spot. I got my Starbucks and her taco over there. But we have kind of found a spot under this tree, and we're just sitting here. She's enjoying herself. This is what she likes to do. So instead of being over there, y'all, with all them kids, Maverick would like to walk around and pick up sticks and leaves. Yep. You got another one? Here's another one for you. So Maverick just encountered her first poodle. I'm trying to get her to follow me so we can keep moving. Maverick is tearing his taco up. You hungry, baby? See him tearing his taco up. I'm talking about human, grown-up bites. Who do you see? Yeah, they're walking their doggy. She's like, whatever. More taco, please. Yep, we're still out here. Maverick has been sneezing a little, so I don't know if she has allergies, but as my sister said, she is willing to take the sacrifice to be able to enjoy her enjoyments. Ooh. She just ate her taco. I'll put a little clip in here, but she ate her taco and I ate some of it. Come on, mama, this way. This way, Maverick. Lord. Come on, Maverick. Come on, Maverick. Come on, Maverick. Come on, Maverick. She is not studying. So I have never noticed this right here at our park. It's kind of cool. So Maverick was pointing at this tree, so I'm letting her sit on it. She seems to be doing something with it. She's been petting it, and she has been. So Maverick just saw her first dog fight. I don't know if they're going to want her as a witness, but it was pretty crazy. And she had been staring at this one guy that keeps running around singing. You think they're going to want you as a witness in the people's court? Yep, I saw it all. Mom, am I in your way? Time to put everything up.